Today, IndiansInKuwait.com is at the Sheikh Al Sabah racing circuit here near the airport, a race done by Q8 Moto Academy. And today I'm going to be interviewing a few riders, a few mechanics, and the organizer, of course. This is RJ Rakesh with you, and get ready for a day filled with adrenaline.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Al Haddad. I own Q8 Moto Academy, and my role is the race director for today. We are doing a motocross race for juniors and a clubman as well for 250cc and above as a supporting race for the adults.
Hi everybody, my name is Ahmed. I am racing in 65cc, and now round 2 we will go in the track, and I hope I get a place in the podium. See you guys.
My name is Sergio. I'm from Moldova. I'm here to race in the clubman class, 450cc on my bike.
Hi, my name is Abdelmahsen Athman Al-Qati. I am Yamaha sponsor, and my class is 125cc. I have sponsored by Yamaha team, and I'm 13 years old. I'm close to being 14, and I really like the sport. It's like a dream to ride like one of these bikes.
And as you can see right now, I'm at the highest ramp available here at the circuit. Oh, the noise. And yes, from here you can actually get an almost aerial view of the entire track, as you can see as the camera pans. And in between all this, I got invited for a birthday party. Hi, what's your name?
Abdulrazak Al Fahad.
How old are you today?
I'm 10 years old.
Happy birthday! Are you racing too today?
No, I'm actually not racing today.
Okay, who have you come to watch?
I came to watch my team and my friends.
All right, let's hope they win today, and say hi to IndiansInKuwait.com.
Hi.
Myself, Unni Krishnan, and I am working in KOC. I am a passionate photographer, and I am following these kind of events for the last 15 years. And I am very happy to see IAK in this, covering these kind of events, because usually we rarely find these kind of events. So come out of your flat and enjoy yourself. Thanks all the viewers.